Healthcare IoT, improving patient care. The healthcare industry is experiencing significant advancements due to IoT, which is enhancing patient care, reducing costs, and improving operational efficiency. IoT devices and systems enable remote monitoring, telemedicine, and real-time health data analysis, transforming how healthcare is delivered and managed. These innovations are particularly beneficial in managing chronic conditions, elderly care, and emergency response. Remote patient monitoring is one of the most impactful applications of IoT in healthcare. Devices such as wearable health monitors, smart pills, and connected medical equipment collect and transmit patient data to healthcare providers. This continuous monitoring allows for early detection of health issues, timely interventions, and personalized treatment plans. It also reduces the need for frequent hospital visits, improving patient convenience and reducing healthcare costs. Telemedicine, powered by IoT, enables virtual consultations and remote diagnostics, making healthcare more accessible to people in remote or underserved areas. IoT devices can provide real-time health data during these consultations, enhancing the accuracy and effectiveness of remote medical care. As IoT technology continues to evolve, it will play an increasingly vital role in improving patient outcomes and transforming healthcare delivery.